Hey guys, we're on Air Grover, and here is Morgan. Marley's behind us in the pink car. And we're getting ready to take off, guys. This ride is over at SeaWorld, not the one that's at Tampa Busch Gardens.
This is actually called Grover's Boxcar Derby.
Grover's Boxcar Derby?
Grover's Boxcar Derby.
Grover's Boxcar Derby, guys. And this is one of them smaller rides. This is a smaller roller coaster for little ones. Me and Morgan are going to be making another appointment tomorrow to come back so we can hit the bigger ones. It's got a little bit of kick to it for a small roller coaster. That's it, a nice shorty. What do you think of it, bub?
For a short coaster, I like it.
And that's it.